Once upon a time, in a tranquil village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a wise and gentle Zen master named Master Hikaru. People from far and wide sought his guidance and wisdom, eager to learn the secrets of a peaceful and fulfilling life. One day, a curious young student named Hiro approached Master Hikaru, seeking his teachings on Zen philosophy. The master smiled warmly and invited Hiro to accompany him to his beloved Zen garden, a place where the beauty of simplicity and harmony danced together. As they entered the garden, Hiro's eyes widened in awe. The garden was a masterpiece of elegance and tranquility. Meticulously arranged rocks, perfectly raked sand, and carefully placed plants created a harmonious symphony of shapes and textures. The stillness of the garden enveloped their spirits, inviting them to embrace the moment. Master Hikaru gestured for Hiro to sit beside him on a small wooden bench overlooking the garden. They sat in silence, breathing in the serenity that permeated the air. After a while, the master began to speak, his voice carrying a gentle cadence. "You see, young Hiro, this Zen garden represents the essence of life itself," Master Hikaru explained. "Each rock, each grain of sand, and every plant holds a purpose and meaning. But what is equally important is what is not there." Hiro looked puzzled. "What do you mean, Master?" "Observe the empty spaces," the master replied, pointing to the open areas of the garden. "The beauty lies not only in what is present, but also in what is absent. Just as silence gives meaning to sound, emptiness gives meaning to form." The young student pondered these words, his gaze shifting from the meticulously arranged elements to the empty spaces in between. Slowly, a realization dawned upon him. He understood that simplicity and harmony were not just about adding more, but also about knowing what to leave out. Master Hikaru continued, "In life, we often fill our days with unnecessary clutter and distractions, losing sight of what truly matters. We must learn to embrace the beauty of emptiness, allowing space for clarity and understanding to flourish." Hiro nodded, a newfound sense of purpose and wisdom awakening within him. From that day forward, he dedicated himself to the practice of simplicity and harmony. He let go of excess possessions, unnecessary worries, and the constant pursuit of more. Instead, he embraced the power of emptiness, finding joy and contentment in the simplicity of each moment. Years passed, and Hiro himself became a revered Zen master, passing on the teachings of the Zen garden to countless others. His own garden, inspired by his mentors, echoed the beauty of emptiness and the wisdom of simplicity. And so, the legacy of the Zen garden lived on, teaching generations the profound importance of harmony, simplicity, and the beauty of emptiness.